everybody, my name's Miss Perrier and I teach second grade here at SAS Elementary, and today I'm going to go through the steps on how to get you signed up for your brand new Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to be the home for all of our remote learning this year, so it's very important that you get logged into our classroom and ready to roll as soon as possible. All students will have assignments on Google Classroom every day, either as schoolwork or as your homework after you leave the school building for the day. Use these steps in this video and take a look at our written instructions to help get connected. We're going to start by going to google.com in your web browser. Then you're going to click on the bright blue Sign In button in the top corner. Here, you're going to type in your SANY email address and password. I'm going to use an example student. Then you're going to get logged in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your initial in the top right corner, and next to that there are 9 small tiles that will lead you to your Google Apps. So I'm going to click on my Google Apps and go to the green chalkboard that says Classroom. Click on the button that says Classroom. Now this example student is already loaded into some classrooms, but if you've never used Google Classroom before, this screen is going to be blank. In order to join our second grade class for this year, next you're going to click on the plus sign to join a class. Then you're going to enter the class code. Now our class code is on the written instructions, but I'm going to type it in here too. VBA 4UGP. Okay, so this should be my name up here, my class code, and then I'm going to click Join. This should load me into Miss Perrier's Google Classroom. This is going to be our home page. If you click the 3 lines on the top left, these will be all the classrooms that you're loaded into. This student's loaded into more than one, but most of you are only going to have the one that says Miss Perrier's class. And what we're going to do now is go on a little tour of Google Classroom. So make sure at the top it says Miss Perrier's class 2A. Make sure that this is your initial in the top right corner so we know that you're logged in. This is the home page for our Google Classroom. It's called our stream, and it has our welcome at the very top. Now, some important things about this stream are over here on the left-hand corner are going to show your assignments that are coming up. Right now, there's no work posted when I'm recording this video, but you will have work to complete. The stream will also show when things are posted. Like I said, this is sort of a home page. If you go over to classwork, and this is still in progress, right now all you can see is a topic called Additional Practice and Enrichment Activities. So if you click under Additional Math Practice, there's a link to 2 different websites we're going to use in class for math practice. Same with reading. These are 2 different websites you can use for reading practice. And then below I've linked some other websites that we may or may not use this school year, but I want you to make sure you have access to. Now typically, once your assignments are posted, they're going to appear on the left side, all of your topics, and you should be looking for topics like listening and learning, skills, math, science, specials. Those will all show up on the left side, and that's where your assignments will show up. Over here where it says people, this is going to show your classmates and any teacher in the building who's attached to our classroom. So right now I'm attached to our classroom already, and I've also added Miss Bloss and Miss Donzo, who are 2 of our second grade co-teachers who are going to be helping to run our online classroom while I'm teaching in the classroom too. So this is just a very, very brief overview of what your Google Classroom will look like, and we're going to go over some more specifics once our assignments get posted. One more thing I did want to show you is over on the main menu. This is really cool. Miss Perrier just learned this last year. There's a button that says To Do. So if you click on your To Do, any assignments that you have posted will show up here. Now this is for all of your classrooms. So these have been assigned to the student, and anything that's missing would show up here. So these ones have specific dates that weren't turned in, And then over here are assignments that are complete. So this is a good way to look into missing assignments if you haven't finished something or you were out sick or something like that. Your assignment should show up here under missing. And then to get back to our stream, you can just go back into click Miss Perrier's class 2A, make sure this is our home page, which it is, and then you are all set. During our Zoom hours, we're going to go through what assignments might look like and how to complete and turn those in also, but this is your brief welcome to our Google Classroom that we'll be using for second grade this year. I'll talk to you all soon. Bye.